Okay, in this video, we will be learning about the sounds. Oh, I forgot to say konnichiwa. Konnichiwa, minasan. In this video, we will be learning about the sound, and that's for mum and for mother. Now, you can see here we've got ma, mi, mu, me, and mo. Let's zoom in. Ma for mushroom. 2 lines at the top, stripy mushroom, isn't it? And then you've got the stem and its little runner. It's got a little runner that comes off. So stripes on the mushroom, its stem, and a little runner. Me. Who is 21? Me? Actually, no, I'm not 21. I'm a little older than that. Me? Am I 21? Really does look like a 21. See that? 21. So you do the 2, and then you do the 1. Except it's a bit of a jaggedy 2 with a big loop. Jaggedy 2 with a 1. Moo. Moo moo for cow. Got the little ear. Got a very squarish face. The ear. Another ear. And then its smile. So you got the top of its head, along its face, funny looking ear, and then you've got around its face. Oh, but you can't forget it's got a spot on its face. See that? Spot. So let's do that one more time. You've got the top of its head, you've got its long face, a funny looking ear, around its square jaw, and then that dot on its other side of its face. Me kind of looks like the moo, but it doesn't have, it looks like the nu for noodles. Remember there were 2 chopsticks? You go around and you make a noodle. It looks like nu for noodle, but me is different. You can think about making pretzel, making pretzels, me. So in here you've got a loopy pretzel, kind of like the chopsticks, except this time you don't have a loop on the end. More fish. Oh my goodness, look at that hook catching all that fish. Got 2 fish skewered on a mean hook. So that is the sounds. Now if we go into drawing it, ma for mushroom, 1 stripe, 2nd stripe, its stem and a runner. 1 stripe, 2nd stripe, its stem and a runner. And just to point out, the 2nd stripe should be smaller than the 1st one. Me. Who is 21? Me? Yes. 2 and 1. Sort of looks like a 21, doesn't it? 2 and 1. And of course the 1 has to actually connect with the 2. Moo. Moo for moo moo, the cow. You've got the top of its head, side of its face, a weird looking ear, square jaw, and its dot. Top of its head, side of its face, weird looking ear, square jaw, and that spot on its head. Next one is me, making pretzels, me. 1, 2, and finish off the pretzel. 1, 2, and finish off the pretzel. And lastly we have more for more fish. You've got 2 fish that are skewered on a hook. That was a bit ugly, wasn't it? Doesn't matter. We have 2 fish skewered on a hook. And that is it for the sounds. Alrighty, there's